In this lab, we're going to use a microbit to make a Bike Blinky that looks like what you can see here. Clicking the A plus B button, normally on your microbit you'd press both buttons at the same time with your fingers. Here in the emulator though, this is how we emulate pressing them both at the same time. So when you click on those, when this button, it'll either turn it off or turn it on. So right now, you heard it, I clicked on it, it made a tone, dee-dee, and it turned it off. And if I click on it again, it'll make an opposite tone, dee-dee, and then it starts doing the blinking pattern again. If we then go into the Python view, and inside the Python view, everywhere we're showing an icon, at the end of that little section we put a comma and some numerical value, or even better yet, some variable that's shared among all of them. We can use that variable to either be a smaller number or a bigger number, and that number is the length of time that it pauses between the displays. So if we do that, we could get something like this. So now we're using these two buttons to change the amount of time that we use to display each of those icons. So if I add to the time by pressing B, then it gets slower each time, because each time I display one of the images, it takes a little bit longer. And in the opposite direction, I can speed it up by making the number that it waits for each one to be smaller. And so you could adjust your Bike Blinky to be what you'd like. And then this would stop it again.